Alibaba.com is a leading global B2B online platform where you can purchase directly from manufacturers and distributors from around the world. We protect our buyers with trade assurance, which is Alibaba.com's built-in order protection you can trust. You can purchase with confidence, knowing trade assurance helps to provide protection in the event that product quality, order quantity, or shipment date vary from what you agreed to with your supplier. While the majority of purchases on Alibaba.com are fulfilled without issue, occasionally the unexpected can happen. That's when trade assurance can offer you assistance, including getting your money back. So how do you use trade assurance? First, look for and only work with trade assurance suppliers. You can easily find them by looking for the trade assurance symbol. Second, make sure you pay online via Alibaba.com's secure payment platform. Alibaba.com supports many popular payment options, including credit cards, online bank transfers, wire transfers, and more. Keep in mind that trade assurance cannot protect you if you make payments to suppliers privately offline. If there is an issue with your order, file a dispute immediately, and Alibaba.com will help investigate, mediate, and resolve your claim, plus reimburse you when appropriate. For the best protection in a dispute, keep your supplier communication on our secure messaging platform. Work with trade assurance suppliers and place your orders online on Alibaba.com and enjoy peace of mind knowing your purchases are protected. Join more than 1 million buyers who have purchased on Alibaba.com with confidence, knowing they're protected with trade assurance.